The third product on this list is the DinoStrike Presentation Clicker. This next unit is a brilliant option for those who frequently engage in presentations. Its ingenious finger ring design liberates your hand, putting an end to the frustration of misplacing your remote. This clicker is the epitome of convenience as it's a plug-and-play device, requiring no software installation. It boasts user-friendly controls for seamless page navigation, screen blackout, and full screen mode, ensuring a hassle-free experience. A striking feature is the vibrant red laser pointer, exceptionally visible against diverse backgrounds. With a control range of 40 to 50 feet and a light range of 328 feet, you can confidently move around during your presentation. Compatibility is a breeze with this clicker. It harmonizes effortlessly with Windows, Mac, Linux, and Android, seamlessly supporting popular presentation software like PowerPoint, Google Slides, Keynote, and more. The icing on the cake is its rechargeable battery, requiring just an hour for a full charge and offering a week's worth of typical usage. Moreover, it's equipped with an auto sleep function to conserve energy. Whether you're an educator, presenter, or a business expert, this presentation clicker stands as a dependable and convenient tool that elevates your presentation endeavors. Its pros are: it has a unique finger ring concept that keeps your hand free, preventing you from misplacing the remote during presentations. It is ready to use with easy-to-understand controls for page navigation and screen functions, and it works with various operating systems and supports popular presentation software, making it versatile for different devices. However, it lacks advanced features like annotation or timer functions found in some other presentation remotes. The DinoStrike Presentation Clicker is a smart choice for presenters seeking a hands-free and hassle-free experience.